In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to adjust the left and right audio balance of your sound devices on your Windows 10 computer. So this should be a pretty straightforward tutorial, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So we're going to start by opening up the Start menu. Select the setting gear icon on the left side. We hover over it, it says Settings, so go ahead and left click on that. Select the System tile, just left click on it. Select underneath System, select Sound. And then where it says choose your output device, click inside the drop down for whatever output device you want to adjust this for, and then select device properties. At this point, there'd be an option to adjust the balance for the left or the right. There would be a slider bar that you can adjust. Keep in mind, I'm in a virtual environment here, so that's why it's not actually showing it to me. Even if we turned on spatial sound, it's not going to make any difference here in terms of displaying this, but it would show up right under here. It would say balance and then left and right respectively, and there would be a scroller bar, and then you just would adjust that. So again, like I said, pretty straightforward process on that. So that's pretty much it, guys. At that point, you just would close out of here. If for some reason, like me, maybe you weren't seeing it in there, I will show you guys a second way. So you would want to now open up the Start menu, type in Control Panel. Best result should go back with Control Panel, so go ahead and left click on that. Select the View By and then large icons. Select Sound, and then in the Playback tab, which it should automatically launch to, double click on whatever your playback device is here, and then select the Levels tab, and then there should be a balance button. You just go ahead and select the balance button, and you can adjust the left and right speakers right there accordingly. So again, that's just an alternative way of doing it. Pretty straightforward process, guys, on how to do this. And as always, thank you for watching, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.